The objective of the manual Sharpen job is to grind and sharpen a gun drill. The equipment used includes a star fixture. The tools used include an Allen wrench, a depth gauge, a hammer, a bubble protractor, and rags. The materials used are a gun drill. The work environment is an indoor work environment with heating and air conditioning. The personal protective equipment includes a floor mat, safety glasses, and steel-toed shoes. The worker observed was 6 foot 3 inches tall. The work tasks for the manual Sharpen job begin by getting the gun drill and positioning it in the star cutter machine. Next, workers will use the Allen wrench to secure the gun drill in the star fixture. Workers then will continually adjust the machine and gun drill until sharpening is complete. Next, workers will use the bubble protractors to check the gun drill dimensions. Finally, workers use the Allen wrench to loosen the star fixture so the gun drill can be removed. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the manual Sharpen job. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a high pace. Hands were in constant steady motion or exertion to manipulate the star fixture machine controls. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing and continuous torso flexion, or forward bending, to manipulate machine controls and view the gun drill. Forceful exertions were required to manipulate the machine controls and to use the Allen wrench to loosen and tighten the gun drill in the fixture. Awkward postures were observed and included torso flexion, or forward bending, elevated and extended arms, and forearm pronation to manipulate the star cutter machine. Neck and torso lateral bending, or sideways bending, and torso flexion, or forward bending, to manipulate the machine controls were observed. Neck flexion, or forward bending, was observed to view the gun drill position in the fixture. And extreme wrist flexion, or forward bending, forearm rotation, and wrist extension, or backward bending, were observed when the worker manipulated machine controls. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the hands and the fingers and the edges of the gun drill and machine controls. It is important to note that machine controls in this case are round. The recommendations for the manual Sharpen job include: investigate using cameras with monitors and/or projection goggles to view the part in the fixture to decrease posture stress. Investigate alternative mechanisms for manipulating the machine controls to decrease posture stress.